Horrible today. Icelandic volcano erupts. Fishing town of Grindavik disappears. Lava from a massive volcanic eruption in Iceland appears to be flowing away from the region's only town, offering hope that homes and lives will be spared even though seismic activity could last for months, officials said Tuesday. December 19th. The government said flights were unlikely to be affected, allaying international travel concerns that remained after the chaos caused by ash clouds from an eruption on the North Atlantic island in 2010. An eruption late Monday on the Reykjanes Peninsula in southwest Iceland spewed lava and smoke more than 100 meters, 330 feet, into the air after weeks of intense seismic activity. The eruption does not pose a threat to life, said an Icelandic government statement. There is no disruption to flights to and from Iceland, and international flight corridors remain open. Authorities last month evacuated nearly 4,000 residents of the fishing town of Grindavik, about 40 kilometers, 25 miles, southwest of the capital Reykjavik, and let them in intermittently to check homes at risk from the earthquake. Hans Vera, 56, originally from Belgium but living in a house east of Grindavik since 1999, has only recently begun to harbor hope that its residents will be allowed to return to their homes for good, or as close as possible to their homes on the volcano. But all that changed when the eruption finally occurred after weeks of anxious waiting. I don't see any time soon they will let people near Grindavik. So we are waiting again, he said. He described his home near the sea as a winter paradise, and the prospect of not being able to spend the Christmas holidays there with his family was a blow. We won't go to heaven this time, he said. Live footage of the eruption shown by Reuters showed bright yellow, orange, and red lava in sharp contrast to the sky. The eruption opened a 4 kilometers, 2.5 miles, long fissure. But at its southernmost point, the crack was still 3 kilometers from Grindavik, the Icelandic Meteorological Office said. The eruption occurred north of the river basin, so the lava did not flow towards Grindavik, geologist Bjorn Oddsson told public broadcaster RUV. Located between the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates, one of the largest plates on the planet, Iceland is a seismic and volcanic hotspot because the two plates move in opposite directions. The eruption occurred about 30 kilometers from Reykjavik. Keflavik International Airport is a bit closer but still open. Blue Lagoon, a geothermal spa popular with tourists, has been largely closed since seismic activity was detected.